Unit 9, Mixed Review, number 11. Thomas just got a new job. The relationship between the number of hours he works, x, and the amount of money he earns, y, is represented by the equation y equals 8x. Which graph represents this relationship? So I really hope that you don't try to go from the graph straight to the equation. It's a great idea to just make a quick T-chart of what you see as far as points. And remember, y equals 8x. So we're going to take our x, we're going to multiply times 8, and we're going to get y. And so looking at answer choice A, that first dot is at 216. So is 2 times 8 equal to 16? Yeah, looks good. Okay, the next dot is between 2 and 4, so that means it's at 324. 324. 3 times 8 is 24, so looks good. And the last dot is at 432. 432. 4 times 8 is 32, so A is looking really good. Let's see if we can get rid of the other answer choices. So answer choice B, start my T-chart. First dot is between 0 and 2. That means it's at 1. And between 8 and 10 would be 9. Is 1 times 8 equal to 9? It is not. That's actually adding 8. And so B is already out. C, first dot, is at, looks like, this one's really numbered weird. Let's see, we've got 8 and 12. That's 4. So in between this would be 10, which means that dot is at 9, 1. 9, 1. Is 9 times 8 equal to 1? Nope. So C is out. And last one, answer choice D. The first dot is at 8, 1. Is 8 times 1, or 8 times 8 equal to 1? No. And so D is out. Correct answer, A.